Hey everybody, Tyler Hickey, team leader of Hickey Homes at Cameron Prestige, licensed realtor, New Hampshire and Massachusetts. For today's Market Monday, I want to touch on a question that's commonly asked at my first seller's appointments. Are you going to do an open house? Are they necessary? And what steps are you going to take to make sure that the people coming into my house are staying safe? So yes, we are going to do an open house. And yes, they are crucially important. We'd like to refer to them as mega open houses. I've talked in the past about the 4 P's of selling: presentation, photography, the portal to the buyers, and also the accurate pricing of your home. Well, right there in the middle, after we've used the presentation and the photography to get buyers interested in your home, we're going to do a mega open house. And we want as many buyers as possible to come to that home, because we want the perception of the home to be that if you don't put an offer in, and if you don't maybe waive inspection, waive your financing, come in with a strong down payment, and even better, put an offer in immediately, you might not get this home. And there's nothing that speaks to that more than being at an open house, being shoulder to shoulder with someone, and feeling like you have to outbid the person that's next to you. This is the feeling that we want in the buyers that are coming to the home that we're selling for you. Now, we're also going to be very safe. We always have 2 agents on hand when we run our open houses. We have somebody electronically signing people in at the door for COVID compliance. And we're also making sure that everybody is staying at distance from each other and wearing a mask for safety. To find out more about the steps we take to sell your home, the safety that we use, and the importance of a mega open house to get you top dollar, call me today. Tyler Hickey, you dream, we work.